बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो रहमान और रहीम है।
इक़रा बिस्मि रब्बिकल्लज़ी खलक़।
पढ़ो ए नबी अपने रब के नाम के साथ जिसने पैदा किया।
खलक़ल इंसान मिन अलक़।
जमे हुए खून के एक लोथड़े से इंसान की तख्लीक की।
इक़रा व रब्बुकल अकरम।
पढ़ो और तुम्हारा रब बड़ा करीम है।
अल्लज़ी अल्लम बिल क़लम।
जिसने कलम के जरिए से इल्म सिखाया।
अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम।
इंसान को वो इल्म दिया जिसे वो न जानता था।
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful. This is class 3 and the period is English language teaching. This is your 5th video and also week number 5. As we have started our unit number 3 adjective in our previous video, one part is remaining of adjective of number. So first of all we will do a remaining part, then we will go ahead. Take out page number 51, exercise number 2. What are they saying in this exercise? Fill in the blanks with suitable adjective of number. You have to fill the blanks with suitable adjective of number. You can use any word either here, but it should be suitable. Now come towards the board. There are dash cups for all of us. यहाँ dash cups हैं for all of us हमारे लिए. Enough. I use here enough. Enough cups for all of us हमारे लिए यहाँ काफ़ी कप्स हैं. We can also use here few, means हमारे पास यहाँ थोड़े कप हैं for all of us हम सबके लिए. We can also use here quantity like 3, 2 and so on. Now come towards our next topic, articles. What are articles? The word a and the are called articles. ये words जो हैं a and और the are called articles कहलाते हैं. There are two types of articles. How many types of articles? Two types of articles. Definite articles and indefinite articles. What are definite indefinite articles? First of all, we will discuss about indefinite articles when we will go ahead, and we will discuss about definite articles. What are indefinite articles? A and N are indefinite articles because they usually leave on the person or thing for spoken indefinite. Means ये ज़्यादातर जो है कि ना में पर्सन को थिंग को जो कह रहे होते हैं वो जो होती है इंडेफिनेट होती है, मीन्स गैर हतमी होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम्पल है यहाँ आपके लिए, आई एम गिविंग एग्जाम्पल, a watch, an orange. Yes, I have told you before that there are two indefinite articles a और an. We use for indefinite spoken, जो हम लोग गैर अपनी बात करते हैं उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं। एग्जाम्पल है यहाँ आपके लिए, a watch, an orange. Before going ahead, first of all, you should know that where we use and where we have to use a. Now, first of all, you should know about your alphabets. You know very well here are 26 alphabets. I hope you know there are 26 alphabets. Now come towards the sheet, pay attention here. Five alphabets are vowel. Why I said here vowel? How do you pronounce it? Vowel? It's not a vowel. It's vowel. You won't pronounce it vowel. It's vowel. I am repeating again, it's vowel. So, we have a 5 vowel, A, E, I, O, U and other are all consonant. हमारे पास 5 वाउल हैं एंड बाकी जो है वो सारे कॉन्सोनेंट हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द यूजेस ऑफ ए। Uses of A, those words which give the sound of consonant, वो अल्फाज जो कॉन्सोनेंट के साउंड देते हैं और स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, वो अल्फाज क्या कहलाते हैं? कॉन्सोनेंट कहलाते हैं। सो यू विल यूज हियर ए, लाइक a book, a chair. What I said to you, those words which start from the consonant, consonant से start हो रहे हैं और we will use here a book, a chair, because it start from B. B is a consonant, it start from the B and chair is start from the C. Both are consonants, so we will use here a. But sometimes our words start from the vowel, but we will use here a. Which one words? Yes. Why I used here a? It starts from the vowel. Why I am using here a? Because it starts from the vowel, but it doesn't give the sound of vowel. It's giving the sound of consonant. Europe, European, a European, a Union. It's giving the sound of Y. So we will use here a. Uses of N, those words which start from the vowel and also give the sound of vowel, we will use there N, like an apple, an orange. It starts from the vowel A, O. These are vowels. Okay, now I have told you that those words which give the start from the consonant but give the sound of vowel, you will also use their N. Why I used here N? why it starts from the consonant, but it is giving the sound of vowel. An R, an honest man, it's giving the sound of vowel. In Urdu, when you don't know that what should I use, O, A or N, so you will your answer will speak in Urdu, like R. It starts from, in Urdu it gives the sound of alif. किसके साउंड देगा? अगर आपको उर्दू में वर्ड्स आइडिया ना हो रहा हो कि आपको ए यूज करना है और एन यूज करना है, तो यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इन उर्दू. उर्दू में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, इट गिव्स द साउंड ऑफ अलिफ. अलिफ की साउंड देगा, यू विल यूज देयर एन. नाउ कम टू वर्ड्स ऑफ वर्ड. Definite articles. The word da is called definite article because it's point out some particular person or thing. Means da जो है वो किसी particular खास नाम को, शख्स को या जगह को फोकस करता है, पॉइंट करता है, पॉइंट आउट करता है, तो इसलिए हम वहाँ क्या करते हैं? दा यूज करते हैं. लाइक he saw the doctor. Why I use here the? Because we are talking here particular doctor. एक पर्टिकुलर डॉक्टर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, स्पेसिफिक डॉक्टर की बात की जा रही है. He wants the book. Why I use here the? Because we are talking about particular book. Now I try to make you more understand. Okay. The postman is coming. Why I used here the? Because we know which one postman. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? We know very well that which one postman are we talking about. I used it. A postman fell off his bicycle. एक postman जो है वो अपने bicycle से गिर गए हैं. Why I used here a? Because we don't know which one postman. When we know very well that which one person are we talking about, we will use here the. And when we don't know that which one person are we talking about, we will use here a. Now go ahead. Uses of the. Where will you use the? The general rule says that the first mention of noun is indefinite and all subsequent difference to the noun are definite and take the. Means यानी जब भी आप फर्स्ट टाइम किसी नाउन को मेंशन करेंगे, you will use there a यूज करेंगे. Then वही नेम in case आप अगेन आता है, you will that time you will use there the, because it becomes particular, it becomes specific. Like Here is a one sentence for you on the board. Now focus. A girl is walking in street. I use here a girl is walking in street. Girl जो है walk कर रही है street में. Now second time why I use here the, because we use first time we use a girl and that second time we use girl the girl, because in this time we don't know which one girl we are talking about, but second time we it becomes particular or specific. We know that which one girl are we talking about. The girl is alone. वो girl जो है वो अकेली है. We use the with we use the with unique things like the sun, the moon, the sky, the stars, the earth. With superlative and or with ordinals. Superlatives, do you know about superlatives? There are 3 degrees. I am explaining you in the short. Positive like tall, imperative taller, and superlative is tallest, tallest, best. So you will use the with the superlative degrees like the tallest, the best. And what about ordinals? Do you remember ordinals? I have taught you in last previous video. In our previous video about ordinals, cardinals. What are ordinals? First, second, and so on. Last. So we will use with the ordinals, the last. Okay. Now we use with adjectives to refer the whole group of people. एडजेक्टिव के साथ यूज करेंगे जो होल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को रेफर करें, जैसे किसी एक की बात नहीं हो, पूरे ग्रुप की बात हो रही हो. Like the poor. We are not talking about a single poor. We are talking about the group, the poor. You can count that how many poor are there. The poor. The Pakistani. It's also group. Also you will use with the geographical areas like the river, mountain, and geographical areas, ranges, island, and oceans वगैरह, like the Mount Everest, the Indus River, and the Arabian Sea. नेक्स्ट यूज विद कंट्रीज दैट हैव प्लूरल नेम्स. आप उनके साथ भी यूज करेंगे जिनके प्लूरल नेम्स होते हैं, लाइक प्लूरल नेम ऑफ कंट्रीज प्लूरल, लाइक the Netherlands, the Scotland, and also you will use with that one countries which include words republic, states, or kingdom, like the UK, the USA, and also with the newspapers. Like the Jung, the Dawn, the Jung, whatever, which one newspaper. I hope you have got that where you will use an, a, or the. Now come towards our exercise. Take out page number 72. Exercise number 1. What are they saying? Put a or n in the blanks. You have to put a or n in the blanks. So come towards our number 1. Dash watch. What will you use here? क्या use करेंगे आप? You will focus first word alphabet. What is it? It starts from the consonant. It's a consonant and also it gives the sound of consonant. So we will use here a. Number 2. Dash egg. Yes. Come towards our first alphabet of egg. It's a vowel and also it gives the sound of vowel. We will use here n. Okay. Now come towards our exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with a, n, or the. You have to fill the blanks with a, n, or the. Now come towards the board. Yes. I have come without dash umbrella. What will you use here? It starts from the vowel and also it gives the sound of vowel. So you will use here n. I have come without an umbrella. Now come towards of 2. I last met him dash year ago. Focus this one alphabet. It starts from the vowel consonant and also give the sound of consonant. So we will use here a. Look at dash hill, how high it is. Focus this one on hill. It's included in a geographical area. So we will use here the. We have done a topic articles. Now come towards our next topic, presentation and conversation. You have a conversation in week number 1 and 2 and talk in pair in week number 3 and 4. Today we will do listening. A listener who listen carefully speaks more. जो carefully सुनता है वो ज़्यादा सीखता है. Okay? Learns more. Yes, listen to the two friends talking on the phone and match. You have to listen carefully. They are talking on the phone. You have to match. What are they talking about? I am reading listening script. So you will be careful. Laura, hi Bill. Bill, hello Laura. How are things in your town? Laura, it's great here and my sister Tanya is here for the weekend. Tanya is Laura's sister. Bill, really? Your sister there? That's good. What about new friends? I mean, you are new there and Laura, of course, I have got lots of new friends. Bill, that's good. Are they good fun? Laura, of course, they are. First, there's Garrett. He's so funny and his pet is really cute. Bill, what has he got? A dog? Laura, no, a lovely little cat. What will you do? Garrett has got a cat. Bill, great. Laura, then there's Mary. She's crazy about caps. She's got about 100 caps in her collection. Bill, 100? That's a big collection. You will match the bill with has got a cap collections. Laura, yeah, anyway, they are all nice people and we have a great time together. Bill, hey, don't forget your friends at home. Laura, Bill, don't be silly. You are still my best friend. Bill, okay, thanks. That's nice to hear. Mary is Laura's best friend. Okay, now come towards the second one. Listen to the dialogues and complete the sentence. You have to tell the time. I have taught you time in our previous video. There are 4 dialogues. You have to listen carefully. Hey Simon, what's the time? The time? Why, yeah, it's 2:30. 2:30 what? Oh, sorry, 2. It's 2:30. Okay, thanks. It's 2:30. Now come towards the second dialogue. Man, excuse me, what's the time? Woman, it's about 4 o'clock. I think, wait, let me see. No, it's 4:45. Now, man, thanks a lot. Woman, no problem. It's 4:45. Come towards of dialogue 3. Presenter, good morning everyone. This is Orange Radio and I am John Fox. It's 20 to 7 and the next song is for Sonia Jones Interval. It's 20 to 7. Number 4. Girl, good afternoon Andy. Boy, good afternoon. What's the time? Girl, it's 8:10. Why, so you mean good evening? Girl, yeah, I suppose so. What is it? It's 8:10. Okay? Listening are missing in your solutions. So you will copy from the board. Okay? Now here is a presentation topic for you. Yes, you have 2 topics, my family and second is a picnic. It's also missing in your solution. So you will write yourself. It is your diary task and I'm just giving you some clues. I should say that it was my picnic and I'm telling you about my picnic. It was hot and sunny. That was perfect day for a picnic on the beach. We traveled by car. It was long journey. We enjoyed a lot. We left in the morning. We got 3 in the afternoon. Having reached there, we entered the water, but suddenly it started raining. It was really cold. We came out of the water, then we ate ice cream and after that we came back at home because of heavy rain. You will also write like this about your recent picnic with your family. Now come towards your diary task. Yes, write presentation about a picnic. पिकनिक के बारे में प्रेजेंटेशन लिखनी है एंड आल्सो मेमोराइज ऑल वर्क. सारा वर्क आपको याद करना है. ओके, कॉपीज आर बीइंग कलेक्टेड. कॉपीज कलेक्ट की जा रही हैं. सो सबमिट योर कॉपी फॉर द चेकिंग. आई होप यू हैव गॉट एवरीथिंग. डू योर वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सोल्यूशन विच हैज गिवन टू यू. Its time is over. If God's willing, we will meet again. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.